Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. So we are learning various things about Microsoft Excel online. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about some math formulas in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel provides various kind of inbuilt formula by which you can calculate various things like sum, average, difference, and you can also apply some conditions and get data results. So let's see how you can use those formula, and we are performing some operation in this video tutorial. So let's see how you can do it. I have my data of cell forecast. I have added one more column called actual. This was my forecast and this was actual sales. So I am merging this cell and it is now merged. Now I want to calculate sum of these all columns added here and also these columns. So I am adding one heading grand total and I am merging these two cells. Cell inside table cannot be merged. Okay, cell inside table cannot be merged. So I am just removing that cell. I am giving it left align and increasing its font size with bold and vertically center aligned. So I am now summing all these values, all these numeric currency value. You can do sum using many ways, like you can directly write formula here, or you can use some inbuilt facility or inbuilt summing wizard. So first I will show you how you can sum all these values using formula. So just write is equal to and then write sum. So IntelliSense will display all the formula related to sum. Here it is, this sum formula. So click on to this sum and then select this row on which you want to select all the values on which you want to perform summing operation. So I am selecting this first cell and drag it to last cell and close parenthesis and press enter key on your keyboard. So as you can see, sum of all these values has been generated here. So this is how you can perform summing operation. I am adding one more value here, 8000. Same way I also want to perform sum operation on these values. So it's very easy once you perform sum operation on collection of some values. Now if I want to perform sum operation on these cells or on this data, I don't need to write some formula. I can do just click on to this cell and drag it to my another cell and it will generate sum automatically. As you can see, if I click on to this sum cell, then I will find I have a sum of G6 to G16. This is my G6 and this is my G16. So I can perform sum operation very easily. So this is about how you can perform various kind of math operation in Microsoft Excel. Because this is a very simple formula, I can remember this formula. But there are lots of formulas provided by Microsoft Excel which you can't remember. But it is already there and you can learn or you can perform various operations on your data using those formulas. So this is about math formulas. Thank you very much.